In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add courses on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each field means so your learning stands out clearly on your profile and supports your professional story. Start on your LinkedIn feed while you're signed in. At the top of the page, open the menu labeled Me, the one with your profile photo. From that drop-down, choose View Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where we'll add your course information in the right place. Near the top of your profile, find and select Add Profile section. A panel will open with options to expand different parts of your profile. Choose Recommended to reveal quick additions that LinkedIn suggests. In this list, click Add Courses. That opens a simple form dedicated to course details. In the course name field, type the official title exactly as it appears from the provider. Clear, accurate titles help recruiters and hiring managers recognize what you studied. If the course belongs to a well-known series, include the full series title, not just a shorthand. Keep it professional and consistent with how you list certifications or education elsewhere on your profile. Next, click into the number field. This is where you can add a catalog number, class code, or certificate ID if your course provides one. It's useful for verifiability and searchability, but it's not required. If your course doesn't have a number or you don't need to use one, you can leave this blank and focus on the title and association instead. Now choose Associated with. This links the course to a specific education entry or a position on your profile, like a university program or a job where the course was most relevant. Pick the school or role that best represents the context in which you completed the course. If nothing is a perfect match, select the closest fit or keep it unlinked and let the course stand on its own. When everything looks good, select Save. LinkedIn will place the course under the appropriate section on your profile. Give it a quick review to make sure the title is spelled correctly and the association is accurate. Small details here reinforce credibility and make your profile easier to scan. A few quick tips as you finish up. Prioritize courses that are current, relevant to your goals, and recognizable to your audience. Use the exact course titles, avoid unnecessary abbreviations, and keep your list focused so each entry adds value. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.